Before, Masbate is one of the poorest provinces in the entire country. But with this tremendous decrease of 11.3%, parang nawala na sa atin ang poverty line. So first, the national government put up an infrastructure development in the province of Masbate. It so happened that my two sons and daughter is a representative on the respective district. On the third district, we have Congressman Tonton Ko. They have also put up their billions per annum. And in the second district, we have also Representative Araco. They have also introduced an infrastructure development of more than $1 billion per year, or $2 billion per year. Then we have Representative Richard Ko from the first district. Ganon din ang na-introduce niya. So, with infrastructure development as far as the provincial government is concerned, and to our municipal LGUs and other LGUs, that is one of the factors to be considered. Bakit we have reduced our poverty. So, the reducement of this poverty is not only for the provincial government, but this is in connections also with the former President, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. There will be a pump priming by putting up of Roro Port, which is considered as Masbate, is considered as a central nautical highways. But we availed that program. That despite of critics of my political detractors, why put up so many vessels on their port within the Masbate and its neighboring provinces, we did not stop. So, with the pump priming of who is considered as one of our economists, President, dito na nagkaroon tayo ng magandang pangabuhay. Look, we put up a Roro Port on any of the port of the Bicol regions, like of Piuduran, Pasacao, Pilar, Castillas, and from the Quezon province, we have a port of San Andres. And in summer, we have a port of Calbayog. Then, in going to Negros, we have a port of Bugo. Then, Kawayan Port to Bugo, Katayngan Port to Bugo, Mobo Port and Katayngan, road to Calbayog City, Calbayog to Cebu. Then, Mobo to Pilar, Mobo to Castillas, Mobo to Pasacao. So, with this, nabuhay ang ating turismo. Because I do believe that in tourism there is livelihood. Kaya nga, halos kaunti na lang ang mahirap sa atin. We generate employment. Gaya ng barko namin. We generate hundreds of personnel na na-employ namin, mga seaman. With the beaches that we have, like we have a Boracay of the North, of Balod, and other municipalities, restaurant. Dahil pag dating pa lang ng mga pasahero, buhay na naman ang transportasyon natin. Dahil tatakbo sila sa iba-ibang munisipyo. At saka with the connecting passengers from Cebu to Calbayog to Masbate to mainland to Manila. These linkages that we have, ito ang pump priming na bumaba ang ating poverty line. Because this is a linkages from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Then, transportation. Pagdating ng pasahero, magpa-transport. Buhay ang transportation sa atin dito. Pagdating dahil Pag oras ni peligro na, gutom na ang mga pasahero, salpak naman sa restaurant natin. They also generate employment ang mga restaurant. Like of Mubo, Port. Tingnan mo mga restaurant doon. Kahit maliit-liit, natutuwa ko. Dahil marami na nabubuhay dahil 24 hours na ang operation sa Mubo Port. As a matter of fact, bago pa lang na-approve ang aming private commercial port, the container port and terminal services, the port of Mubo and the port of Mintak. This will pave the way to our special economic zone. Nandun na. Pagdating naman, ang gustong mamasyal, diretso sa mga beaches natin. Dahil connecting na tayo from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Then, ang na-delayed naman, kay gustong magpa-delay din mamasyal sa Masbate, pasok naman sa mga hotel natin. If you will notice and try to know this, the veracity of this statement, mahunga niyo, mapangutanan natin ang mga hotels natin kung piraan nag-check-in sa inda ng mga tao at they start during the time or during my administration. Then, nandun na. Not only for that, ang cause naman ng reduction of poverty, ang nakatulong sa atin isa pa, the 4 billion PRDP projects na there will be a linkages from farm to market road. Dili na kay regrab farm to market road. Another 2 billion na forbidding na tayo. Maka 01 na siguro tayo, 02, 03. That's another big projects of the provincial government. Then, despite of the critics of my political detractors as far as regrabbing and opening of roads, I did not stop because without regrab or opening of road, there will be no 4 billion PRDP project. As a matter of fact, ang iba na probinsya di nga nila ka-avail, di dilugod gimbubuang kita sin damo-damo na proyekto. That is one of the factors to be considered why there will be a reduction. Peace and order. Kay isa man ini na parte, we cannot convince an investor to invest in the province of Masbate if our problem will be peace and order. Improving ng peace and order dito. As far as insurgency, alam naman nyo, because that is a public knowledge, na improving naman. Halos wala na nga ang insurgency rito. So, I would like to thanks to our, because these reductions of poverty, it's not only to the provincial government, but it includes our representative of the 3rd, 1st, and the 2nd district, and also to the former President Gloria Arroyo with the Central Nautical Highways, and to the PNP, congratulations, to the peace and order with the index of index crime and non-index crime. Halos wala na, nababa na. And to our insurgency, to armed forces, congratulations also. So, Masbate now is the 3rd wealthiest province of the whole Bicol region. Kag daka malalampasan pa nato ng iba na probinsya dahil may 2 billion na ako for bidding sa PRDP projects. If that things will materialize, mas lalong the delivery of basic goods and services from farm to market road. Inaanatanan through the initiative also of our private business sector that we encourage them to put up their business dahil nakikita that there will be a daily linkages now from Luzon, from Manila, Manila to Masbate, Masbate to Cebu, and Masbate to Negros. So, nagbutang sin mga negosyo ang mga tao dito. Oh. And may sasabi ko lang sa because I was criticized that there will be ghost project as far as covered court is concerned. Nabatean ko naman sa Inda. Sabi ko, dapat mag-investigate sinda sin husto dahil we have 40 covered court. 36 were materialized. 4 gimparibid namon dahil they did not comply the requirement, especially the size. So, ini na por na ginribid namon, amo siguro rin sinabi na ghost projects. This was rebidded by Tumubo Central School Covered Court, the Masbaranon Covered Court Esperanza, Mahayahay Covered Court of Placer, ang Kalumpang Covered Court of Placer. Iton upat ginribid, gimbutang sini na lugar, lalo na ang mga sizes kay dako-dakon covered court. But that is not a ghost projects. I would like to challenge to my political detractors na mag-ikot-ikot sila. Dahil this is a permanent structure or a vertical structure. Dili ni pwede matindog kung dili mo himuon. Then these 4 remaining, as I have mentioned, puntahan din nila. This is almost more than 70% na ang natapos. As far as the case files against the governor, I would like to answer that in the proper forum. Dahil para mapagbigyan na hindi gusto. It's very important that the public will know that an SP resolutions make it possible that all provincial roads, including strategic barangay road, were converted to a national road of more than 100 kilometers. Hindi nagagawa sa ibang probinsya yan. Pero nakita ko kasi na masipag itong mga anak ko na 3 na congressman na wala nang konkretuhin. Dahil hanggang barangay na tuloy, binutas-butas ng barangay, it's now time to convert all provincial road as well as a barangay road to a national one. Para may trabaho naman ito, para madagdagan ang pundo. At saka the national government magkaroon na ng programa para sa conversion natin sa national road. So, in total, this paved the way that I was chosen. Ito ang resulta sa peace and order, sa mga concreting na ginawa natin, sa mga regrab natin from farm to market road, sa mga infrastructure na tulong na ang provincial government as well as district representative of the respective districts, sa ginawa ni Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, that we are part of a central nautical highways, that there will be a linkages among its neighboring provinces. In total, I was chosen as the 10th performing governor of entire countries. Thank you. Good day.